OpenClaw has crossed over 180K stars on GitHub. At this point, everyone in AI knows the name. It is one of the most starred open source agentic projects in the world, running locally on Mac, Windows, and Linux. It connects to chat apps like Telegram and Discord and can control your entire digital life. Now, OpenClaw is powerful on its own. It can browse the web, manage files, run commands, even write its own skills. But it's limited to what's on your machine and what you manually configure. When you connect OpenClaw to MCP, you unlock a wide range of powerful capabilities. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up, the best practices, working demo, and use case. Let's get started. MCP 360 is the universal gateway that gives your AI agent access to over 100 plus marketplace tools and custom MCPs through a single integration. Instead of managing dozens of API keys, multiple subscriptions, and complex authentication, you get one account, one token, instant access to everything. Web search, Amazon product data, Google Maps, YouTube analytics, SEO tools, domain analysis, keyword research, email verification, the list goes on. And it's enterprise grade secure, SOC 2 certified, ISO, GDPR compliant. Plus, there's a free tier to get started. Register and create an account using Google. Add a project name. First, install OpenClaw. Open your terminal and run the one-liner installation script from OpenClaw. Works on Mac and Linux. While we install it on macOS, here's how you can set it up on Windows. You can copy the PowerShell command, also available in the description. You can run OpenClaw on board to set up. I've already done it, so I'm skipping choose yes if you want to run it. Perfect. OpenClaw is running and ready. Now, let's connect MCP 360. The easiest way is through the OpenClaw dashboard. Navigate to Skills, you'll see available integrations. Look for MCPorter, that's the bridge between OpenClaw and MCP 360. Click Install. It handles everything automatically. Prefer the command line? You can also install MCPorter using npm globally. Check the version to verify it installed. Now, head to mcp360.ai. In your MCP 360 dashboard, generate your API token. Copy it. You can also ask OpenClaw chat to set up MCP 360 for you. Add command with your MCP 360 endpoint URL and API token. Verify it's registered. Open MCPorter configuration. Add MCP 360 as an MCP server using the config and save. Done. MCP 360 is connected. Let's see this in action with a email verification use case. You have a list of emails and need to validate them quickly. Look at that. It's checking deliverability. Email verification is just the start. Extend it to fit your use case. Quick tips to maximize this setup. 1. Start with the free tiers. Test everything thoroughly before upgrading. 2. Customize your OpenClaw persona. Give it clear context about your work, goals, and preferences so it can make better decisions. 3. Explore Claw Hub for community build skills. 4. Enable heartbeats in settings. This allows your agent to check in proactively and handle scheduled tasks automatically. 5. Keep everything updated. OpenClaw is actively developed and new features ship frequently. Quick note on models. I've tested this with multiple AI models, and Claude performs best for agentic work and MCP tool usage. The worst performers in my testing, OpenAI's models. So, if you want reliable results, go with Claude. That's it. You now have an AI agent with real-world capabilities. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're building. Welcome to the future.